Alright guys, I don't really remember what I did last, so I have everything back in. The water pump is all bolted down. We have the brackets and the tensioner here. Radiator's back in, it's bolted down. We have the new hoses that are in and hose clamped. This one down here still needs a hose clamp there because we didn't have a hose clamp that was big enough. So we're gonna have to get one of those in. So for the pulleys, or the pulley, so that's on the water pump, right? And then there's that. And then the fan. So the bolts. So imagine I can't speak English. So let me grab the pulley. So the pulley, or the fan spacer. The fan spacer would be on there. See, we can't get the bolts in. Like, we could have one bolt in because then we can slide the fan onto it, and that's it. So we're gonna have to actually find studs for this, so we can make that work. So let's put a little hinder in our plans. So we're gonna park this for today, and tomorrow morning, or sometime tomorrow, we're gonna get back to it. We'll figure out our spacer situation. We'll get the other hose clamp that we need. That shouldn't take too long. And I don't know if he showed you guys this, but we rerouted those wires so it looks a lot better than this mess over here that was zip tied. That's not wow, I can't speak English. That's not cool. It's not fun. So yeah, just a quick little update video here, and we'll get that figured out tomorrow.